Managing your sales conversations has never been easier. So in this video, I'll show you how you can sync your Gmail and Outlook inboxes to track all of your conversations in one place. First, navigate to Settings at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. Under My Profile, navigate to Email Two-Way Sync on the right-hand side. From here, you can select your email provider, whether it's Gmail or Outlook, select the platform, and click Connect. When selecting Outlook, you'll be navigated to a screen where you can accept the permissions that are necessary by the app. On this screen, click Accept. Then you'll be navigated back to the platform where you can confirm that your Outlook account has been connected. From here, you can edit the email that you're using by clicking the Edit button, or you can delete the connection by clicking Delete. Below, you'll also see an Auto BCC Sync email, which is an address that you can add to the carbon copy or blind carbon copy field whenever you're sending an email from Gmail or Outlook in order to automatically add this conversation and contact into the CRM. Likewise, to connect Gmail, select Gmail and then click Connect. Then you can select your account from Google, click Continue to sign into the app, and then you'll be navigated back to the platform where likewise you can see that your account has officially been connected. Now that your email's connected, you can have conversations with your contacts through the platform under Conversations. To start a new conversation, click Create New Message, Direct Message, and then select your contact from your contact list. Once you create a new message with your contact, you'll be able to send an email to the contact from the email that you just connected. And best of all, it'll sync up with your Gmail or Outlook inbox so you never miss a conversation. Your email that you just connected through either Gmail or Outlook should populate right here under From Email. Once you've confirmed that your contact info is good to go, you can write a subject, type a message, and then click Send. And don't worry, any emails that you receive from your contacts will automatically sync with the Conversation Manager so you can seamlessly manage your sales conversations. This is an exciting step for getting connected with your leads, so I hope you found this helpful and thank you for watching.